massive thank you to Shore Tyres, once again helping us out this year. If you're ever in the Oldham area, Shore Tyres and Exhaust is the best place to go and get your stuff sorted out. Please support the guys that support us, because it helps us out tremendously, and we want them to get a return for their assistance, basically. So thank you very much to Steve at Shore Tyres, and if you're ever in that area and you need any tyre work doing, give them a call. Shore Tyres and Exhaust, link in description to his website and to his Facebook page. So it's Wednesday night tonight, quite a late start because I've ended up having to come later on in the day, but car's starting to look somewhat like. We're just sorting out the shocker bracket that got knocked off at Skegness in the final, so basically I'm just going to re-brake pipe this side because of this being damaged, so I'm going to crack on with that. Dad's going to get on with this shocker bracket, so we'll see how that gets on. Thursday night. They're actually getting loaded up on a Thursday. That's quite good, isn't it? So yeah, me and my dad we've just finished the car. Altered a couple of bits for Buxton. See how it goes. My dad's just strapping the Zevo in the truck if it ever comes out the truck. So yeah, we've got a few bits going on. So it's time to get this out and get it in the truck, and then we can go home. And that's it, we're loaded up and ready to rock and roll for Sunday now. So Saturday and Sunday, we're doing 2 days this weekend, so it's nice to be ready a little bit early. Obviously next week got to get on with the shell car. I apologise for the audio if it's bad, because I did lose the microphone this week, which yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe if you're enjoying it, and that's it. We'll see you at Buxton on Sunday.